this video, I will show you how to create or open a PalmPay account on your mobile phone step by step. PalmPay is a popular digital wallet used for money transfers, bill payments, airtime, data purchase, and online transactions. If you are installing PalmPay for the first time or you want to open or create a new account on your phone, this guide will walk you through the complete process, the complete registration process from start to finish. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to download and install the PalmPay app, how to sign up for a PalmPay account, how to verify your phone number, how to set up your login password and transaction pin, how to complete your profile and activate your account. So all this you're going to learn, so do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So guys, let's get started. Now the first step you have to take is to download and install the PalmPay app, and you can do that by going over to your Play Store. That's if you're using an Android device, but if you're using an iOS device or an iPhone, then you have to go over to your App Store. So let me tap on the Play Store to open it. Since I'm using an Android device, let me tap on the Play Store. You can see Play Store is opening. So once your Play Store, your App Store opens up, what you can simply do is to search for PalmPay, and you can do that by tapping on the search icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on it, then let me tap on the search bar at the top. Then let me go ahead now to type in PalmPay, PalmPay. Then let me tap on search. Right there, guys, can see the PalmPay app. So let me tap on it to open it so you can see it clearly. So guys, right here is the app. I believe you can see it more clearly. You can see the logo right there. You can see the name PalmPay, zero transfer fee. So you're not going to be charged any fee for transfers. So now to download and install this PalmPay app into your phone, what you can do now is to tap on where you can see install. So let me tap on install. So guys, now you can see the PalmPay app have started downloading, is at 14% now. So let's wait till it gets to 100%. Then once it's fully downloaded, it's going to start installing automatically. So let's wait for a few seconds. Right there, guys, can see it has gotten to 100% and it's now installing. Wow, guys, can see it written there installed. The PalmPay app has been installed. So now the next step now is to open it up. So let me tap on where you can see open on the right hand side. Let me tap on open. You can see now the PalmPay app is opening. Then right here is the next step. It says PalmPay, the smarter way to bank. So it says right here, please enter your phone number. So since you want to create an account, what you have to do now is to quickly enter your phone number. So let me go ahead now to enter my phone number. But in case you have an account already and already existing PalmPay account, they can tap away. You can see login, you can see it down there. But this video is about how to open or create or sign up for a new PalmPay account. So let me go ahead now to input my phone number. So you're going to be using your phone number to create a PalmPay account. So let me type in my phone number. Right there, guys, can see I've repeated my phone number. So what I have to do now is to tap on sign up. You can see where it is written sign up. Let me tap on it. Right here, you can see a notification just popped out and it says a verification code has been sent to your phone number. So I'm going to be needing that code for the next step. Then here's the next step. It says verify phone number. Step 1, check the OTP you received. A verification code has been sent to your phone number. Please take a look. Then the next one, they said step 2, fill in the box below with the OTP. So guys, now let me go and get the OTP that has been sent by PalmPay to my phone number through SMS. So let me minimize, or let me scroll from the top of my phone. Right there at the top is the message from PalmPay. You can see it right there. So what I'll do now is to open it. So let me go over to the message app to open it. You can see the message from PalmPay. Let me tap on it. Right here is the message containing the code. You can see what's written there. It says do not share. 8955 is your OTP code for PalmPay registration. So what I need to do now is to manually copy this code, but sometimes you don't need to manually paste the code. It will be automatically entered for you. Once the message has been detected by the PalmPay app in your phone, it will be automatically entered for you. So let me go back now to the PalmPay app to continue with this registration. Wow, guys, you can see the OTP code has been automatically entered for me, and now I'm over to the next step, which is to set pin for your profile. You can see it right there. It says your profile is about to be created. Setting a pin enhances security. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to tap on continue. So let me tap on it. Then right here is the next step. It says set pin. Set your pin for account security. So this pin is your transaction pin, and it's usually a 4-digit pin that you use to authenticate transaction on your PalmPay account. So let me go ahead now to set a pin. Let me type it in. You can see I've set my pin. So let me re-enter the pin. Let me retype the pin to be sure that it is correct and that I know it. You can see guys, I've typed it in, so let me tap on next. Wow guys, you can see what's written there. It says your profile has been created. Please complete identity verification to start your PalmPay journey. So guys, now let me go over to the next step. Let the countdown get finished. Then here's the next step. It says verify ID. That means this is for identity verification. You can see they said please enter your own NIN or BVN to open an account. Your NIN is your national identity number, while your BVN is your bank verification number. So whichever one that you want to use, then you're cool. You can see NIN has been automatically selected. If you want to use your BVN, tap on BVN. Let me tap on BVN. You can see BVN has been selected, but I want to use my NIN since I have my NIN card, and also I have the NIN number handy. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to type in my NIN number. You can see the provided space, so let me tap on it. So it's usually an 11 digit number, so let me type it in real quick. You can see guys, I've typed in my NIN number, so let me go ahead now to tap on next. You can see it's loading. Then right here is the next step. It says photo capture. We will match your face with your NIN/BVN photo to verify your identity. It says there, please ensure the following: your face is well lit, so make sure you're in an environment where there is enough light. The next one, it says your entire face is clearly visible within the frame, so make sure your whole face is visible once you take your picture. Once you take the picture of your face, then it says there, take off glasses, hats, masks, or anything that covers your face. So jihabs, no face masks, no glasses, and the rest. So let me go ahead now to tap on let's start. Then right here it says move your face into the frame, so let me do that real quick. You can see I'm placing my face in the frame. You can see, so let me follow the on-screen instructions. Then it says I should hold on. You can see it says verifying. Wow guys, you can see here's the next step. It says enter your address. My face has been verified. This is the next step. It says enter your address. So what I need to do now is to provide my complete residential address by inputting my state, the local government area, the area, and also the address. That means the street number or the house number. So let me go ahead now to input all of this. Right there guys, can see I've inputted all of that, the state, local government, area, and address details. So let me go ahead now to tap on next. Then here's the next step. It says wants to earn interest on your available balance. Of course, who doesn't want to earn interest? So I'll leave it at yes. But if your case is different and you don't want to earn interest from your balance, from the money you're saving up in your PalmPay account, then you can tap on no, but I need it yes. So let me tap on continue. Since yes has been automatically selected, you can see it says cashback auto save. Wow guys, you can see it says yes, success, congrats, your PalmPay account details are shown below. So guys can see here's my account, my PalmPay account number, which is my phone number. You can see the first digit of my phone number was removed, so the rest of the numbers in my phone number is my PalmPay account number. So guys, let me tap on start PalmPay now. You can see it down there, so let me tap on it. You can see this notification. It says here your system is detected to be in dark mode. Would you like PalmPay to sync and enable it? Let me cancel it. So I need it to be the normal white mode. So guys, now you can see it right here. I've been able now to create a PalmPay account. You can see my available balance right there at the top. You can see it. You can see it right there. You can be able now to make transactions, make transfers, pay for subscriptions and the rest of it, pay for your electric bill, buy airtime, buy data, subscribe to any betting platform and the rest of them. So guys, now you can see this is my account, and I've been able now to show you how you can be able to create a PalmPay account from top to finish. And I believe this video was helpful. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.